why your blog posts are not getting indexed. So if you're using Google Search Console, if I go into the pages, and you can see not index 31, index 8. Now if something is not indexed, the first thing what you need to do is check for force and redirect them to homepage, and then you need to check the metadata, update all articles. Do these three things and you're good to go. And wait for 48 hours to 72 hours, like it's like 3 days, and see if it is getting indexed or not. I mean, the Google Search Console, it will tell what is the error here. You can see not one is a 404, and then with the alternate page with a proper canonical tag. So I can find the all information right here. Let me just go with the non-index, and this is it.